In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix if the Microsoft Store is not working. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is we just need to simply go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Store. Now Microsoft Store will appear under the best match. You just have to make a right click and then select App Settings. Now once the Microsoft Store window will be opened, you just need to scroll down and you can find the Repair button. Click on the Repair button. Now, once you have repaired the Microsoft Store, try to open it. But still, if it isn't working, go back to the same window and click on the Reset button and Reset button once again. Okay, and then close this. Next method, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Here, we need to type WS Reset. It's WS Reset and hit enter. This will clear the Microsoft Store cache and will also open the Microsoft Store for you. So as you can see, this is working in my Windows. Next method is we also need to make sure that we are in the current correct date and time. So how can you make sure of that? You just need to simply look at the clock on the bottom right corner and you can find the current correct date and time. Now if you are not in a correct date and time, make a right click and then select adjust date and time. Turn off set time zone automatically and set time automatically, and here you'll find the option set the date and time manually. Click on the change button and you have to change it from here for the current correct date and time, and then you have to turn on set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Okay, and after that you just need to open the Microsoft Store. For the next method, we can also reinstall the Microsoft Store, including all the applications on your Windows, and that is through the PowerShell. So type PowerShell in the Windows search bar. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. And I'm just going to paste a command from here. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. Hit enter. And just need to wait for the process to be done. Okay, and once this process is done, you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. For the next method, we have to click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update. This may be a very simple fix, but once you update your Windows, this will also be a great fix on how you can fix Microsoft Store not working. So update your Windows. This will download and install the latest updates for your Windows. And once it is up to date, close this and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.